Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and getting basic settings ready. Plug in a known good lightning cable into your iPhone and the Corolla USB port. If the car supports wireless CarPlay, pair Bluetooth first. On your phone, enable Siri and cellular, then unlock the device. This allows the head unit to request CarPlay permission. Once done, watch for CarPlay prompt on the infotainment screen. Accept it, and make sure the vehicle is in park, so the system completes the initial handshake. Now you move into establishing a stable session. On the Corolla screen, open the smartphone integration or CarPlay icon, then select your iPhone from the available devices. If using USB, pick the correct USB input. When the iPhone prompts, allow CarPlay while locked and permit access to contacts and navigation. These permissions let apps display properly. For wireless setups, keep both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi active on the phone and stay within a few feet of the head unit so the link negotiates without dropping. Finish by tailoring CarPlay and verifying functionality. On the iPhone, go to Settings General, CarPlay to rearrange apps and set your preferred map app. Then test calling, navigation, and music playback to confirm audio and controls function. If something fails, restart the iPhone and the Corolla head unit first, because many glitches clear with a reboot. If problems persist, forget the car in Bluetooth settings or reset network settings. For wired connections, swap the lightning cable. Bad cables are a common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.